Alright guys, let me show you something. If you ever have your trailer ABS light on, I'm going to show you a little quick trick. How to fix that. How to fix that the way that you fix it when you're supposed to get a module, but the company doesn't want to wait till tomorrow. So I'm going to show you guys how to make that go away. You see this thing right here? It's a little plug. Cut that off right here so I can open it up. Alright, take that off right here. Then all we gotta do is disconnect this bad boy. And let me see if I can't do it with one hand. You gotta take this prong and push it up, pull it out. Just gotta disconnect it. Alright, so it's disconnected to a point. Let's see if it took the ABS light off. No more ABS light. So I didn't even disconnect it all the way. Like I said, just enough, you know what I mean? So at least when DOT looks at it, when I ride by, it don't look all messed up, you know what I'm saying? And that's how you fix your trailer ABS light when you don't feel like actually fixing it. Let's see, let me show you something. Let's see if it went off. I didn't show you from the outside that it was on. Oh, that light's still on, huh? What do I know? I'm just a trucker. I don't know nothing. But what I do know is that this part is off right here. Oh, look, it came back on. Maybe we got disconnected a little more. Fully disconnect it. Fully disconnect it. Now let's see. Okay, now it came off for good. See? Oh, I was just talking to this trucker. He said, you know what? I'm gonna come park over here by you. I like a friendly trucker. He was parked over there and he didn't know if it was reserved or not, so I told him what's up. Isn't that cool? Make friends everywhere, even in Illinois. But yeah, that's how you turn off your ABS light. Look it went off. Pretty cool stuff. CryptoTruckerMike. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Love you guys. Peace out.